yeah, one last thing. We are at 500. Thank you guys so much for the support. It really means a lot. And just like that, we are halfway to 1,000. We are on the climb quickly. I guess the goal now is just get 1,000.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Girls that she wears short skirt.
Alright, starting off the video a little bit different here. We're in the Audi S6 here. But yeah, this is probably going to be my last time driving the S6.
Say her body is fantastic, all natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, those whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education.
There it goes.
So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it. Got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going.
So with that, that brings our total to $2,299.48. Okay, so we're pretty much done here. Like I said, wouldn't be pretty. Well guys, here we are. We made it to 1,000. Thank you all so much. Let's go ahead and get into the video because we finally got the barker system in. Alright guys, first thing we gotta do is open this up. Alright everybody, so here we have it. But now, KLX is going stage 3. Here we are, unboxing my piece of gold here, basically. As you can see, here we are, DynoJet. What could it be? We have a DynoJet Power Commander fuel controller for the KLX. Alright guys, here we go. This is gonna be fun. First ride on my FZ09 here. And I can say this thing looks pretty sweet. Oh, sick! Aventador look like an FVJ? Oh, no way! That's him!
These are some of the things we expect with some.
Oh, that felt good! That felt good! Oh my god, hanging the wheels up there! Alright guys, now we're getting into some open trails. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. As you saw in the last video, we sold the FZ09. I didn't tell you everything. We are here at Motorsport Hillsboro, and today is bike delivery day. Let's go ahead, get inside, and get this all squared away. Yeah, half the one's about perfect. There it goes. Bye-bye, FZ09. Alright guys, so pretty gnarly crash. That was my first crash on the motocross track thing. I'm good, that's the important part. My wrist, pretty stiff right now. I have some ice on it right here, but I should be good to go. We'll get that checked out. Okay, so now that we're back here, yes, as you can see, I broke my wrist. Video 1 of the road to recovery. So that is what we are going to be talking about today, the top 5 mods that you should start out with on the KLX. Hey, I have a couple motorcycles and I need my own vehicle to tow them with. November 23rd is finally here, and I'd say that we got a few interesting bikes dropped from Kawasaki. Wow! These tires are great! So video probably does this absolutely no justice. So we're halfway up, all the way down there. You can see them in the distance. And we still have way up there to go. Well, we made it through 2020. What a year. Started at 500 subscribers on the new year. We're almost to 2,000. Got a couple new bikes. Crashed, broke my wrist. Upgraded the KLX to stage 3. There were some battles along the way, but we made it to the end. Throughout this year, I figured if I don't have time to chase my goals now, then when am I ever going to be able to have time to chase them? So right now, going into 2021, I figured I'd share with you guys my goals real quick. Obviously the KLX here. I want to get that thing, put the cams in there, and shoot for the most power that we can with it. The cams is pretty much the only thing I have left to do to the motor. The thing's gonna rip, and then also besides that, basically, I want to strip some weight off of it, see how light we can go. Basically, I want to turn the KLX into a race bike, so not only does that mean cutting down some weight, but also some suspension upgrades, which probably means a suspension swap. With the KX 450X, hoping to get that street legal this year. We need lights, exhaust, all that good stuff. Want to get better as a rider on that thing. Of course, you guys have seen I've made a few videos about the Bronco. That's one of my other goals, but mainly I just want something nice tow rig to be able to haul the motorcycles around and do some fun four-wheeling stuff as well. And one last thing, I make another video about this here soon, but I got some plans for one of these things right here. But I'll be talking about that in an upcoming video. Always wanted some sort of side-by-side thing on 4 wheels, and well, I'm gonna try and make one myself. Finally, with the Corvette, I want to restore it to its former glory. Like I said before, I want to put a cam in it, get my hood re-cleared, headlights re-cleared, and we'll see how things go from there. And now for YouTube, one of my goals, I really want to remember why I started it, and that's just having fun sharing my ideas with you guys. In essence, not taking it too seriously, obviously taking it seriously in the aspect of being consistent and posting, but being less serious and just having fun and filming what I enjoy to do. So that's my goal this year for YouTube, and just bringing you guys along for my motor adventures. But beyond that, I guess we'll just have to see what the year brings. So I'm ready to get going this year, 2021. I think it's gonna be a big year, and I can't wait to see what's in store for this next year. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little recap of 2020. Obviously a pretty big year. Go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Share it to your friends, those who may enjoy it. Keep the club growing. Of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button to keep up with all the action. Go ahead and leave a comment down below as to what your goals are for this year. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucker.